Hello, good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to off your subscriber count, how to hide how many subscribers you have on your YouTube channel for other people. Keep watching as we move on. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this. Keep watching. So first thing is you are going to log into your YouTube channel through your Chrome browser. Open your Chrome browser and log into your YouTube channel. After you log into your YouTube channel, click on your YouTube channel icon. Allow it to load. Then click on Creator Studio. After that, you find where is your setting located. I mean your YouTube channel setting. So this is it at this left corner. So click on it. Allow it to load. Click on channel. Click on channel. After click on channel, you will click on advanced setting here at the middle. So here is your advanced setting. Scroll up, then you will see it here, subscriber count. Then you off your subscriber count like this. After you off it, then you click on save. Setting saved. That is all you need to do. So now your subscriber counts will not be appearing on other people's phone when they are on your channel. So that is all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.